In order to verify your Twitter or X business account, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your X application and you need to subscribe to X Premium, which was formerly Twitter Blue for organizations. After you do that, check your business eligibility. Before applying, ensure that your business has a complete profile including profile picture, banner, bio, and website. It maintains an active presence on X. Then after, go ahead, open your web browser, and then search for verified.twitter.com. Click on Get Verified and log into your business account. Choose Subscribe to X Premium for organizations and fill in your business details and payment information and submit your application. And if approved, your business will receive a golden check mark, and verification can vary based on X review process. Business can add affiliate accounts under their organization for an additional fee. And if you want verification that is blue check without business verification, you need to subscribe to X Premium, that is Twitter Blue, through the app. Verify your identity using a government issued ID, and if approved, you will receive a blue check mark, but this will not indicate business verification. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.